In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your subscribers on YouTube on mobile. So let's go ahead and get this done. So you can't do this on the YouTube app. So close out of the YouTube app and you want to go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome here. Now, once you are on your web browser, go to the URL section, type in here studio.youtube.com. Once you've done that, it's going to be very simple. We click on go. Then it's going to ask us in a second, do you want to go to YouTube Studio on the app or the web version? For me, because I've already accessed Studio before, it's just taken me to the web version straight away. Then once you're in YouTube Studio on your phone, all you can do here is you can zoom into recent subscribers and you can go ahead and click on See All. Bear in mind though, you may need to re-log into your channel and you can go to the top right hand corner and you can see the channel you're currently logged into. You might need to switch it. Click See All on recent subscribers. Then you can go ahead and filter these through lifetime and you'll be able to see everyone who's subscribed to you. Now bear in mind, you're only going to see the people that are subscribed to you that have their subscriptions public, but with this information you can see who's subscribed, who has their subscriptions public. I hope that video helped you out.